Hi, Umit here from Mobile Geeks, and I'll show you some quick tips and tricks for the Honor View 20. The system is called Magic UI, which is basically a motion UI with a skin. However, the settings menus and features are almost identical, which is why I can recommend you to watch my Huawei Mate 20 video, where I show almost everything. In this video, I'm going to show you some things that are new or unique to Honor, or things that people ask about a lot. To unlock the exclusive Fortnite skin, you just have to play 5 rounds with the View 20 itself, and within a few hours you should get the skin. I don't have it yet because it will be released once the device hits the stores. If you not only dislike the notch but also the punch hole, you can hide it under Settings, Display, More Display Settings, Notch. Status symbols will still be displayed. Back in the display settings, you can turn off automatic brightness. Contrary to other interfaces, you can't do it in the status menu here. But gesture navigations can be activated under the System Navigation Gestures. A swipe from the side lets you go back, a swipe from the bottom gets you to the home screen, swipe up and hold for the task manager, and swiping diagonally from the bottom corners activates one-handed mode. You can also activate this mode with the standard navigation bar by swiping the home button to the left or right. If you and your friends have 2 or more Honor smartphones with you but no speakers, you can activate Party mode. Start the app, click on Start Party, and on the other phones, Join Party. After scanning the QR codes, all smartphones are connected to each other. The music will be synced and played on all devices at the same time. By connecting your phone with a monitor, you can enter PC mode. This also works wirelessly if your TV supports Miracast. Go to Settings, Device Connectivity, Easy Projection, or activate it in the Status menu. In this menu you can switch between desktop mode and display mirroring. Together with a mouse and keyboard, you have an Android PC. The smartphone can still be used separately. Via cable, the reaction time is much better though. In the camera app, you can activate the artificial intelligence by tapping on AI if you want pictures to be optimized automatically. The app deactivates it every now and again, which is why you have to do it manually sometimes. With a click on this symbol, you can use the QR code scanner, live translator, and object identification. Here it can recognize your food and show its calories, even though it's not always right. To use the advertised AI Ultra Clarity mode, tap on the gear, resolution, and choose the setting on the top. Pictures are taken here with 48 megapixel and AI support to get a picture with high details. However, you have to stay still for 5 seconds. Unfortunately, this only makes sense with good lighting and has to be activated this way all the time. In video mode, you can use AI filters by tapping on the magic stick. What's interesting here is AI color and blurred background. Other key features like this and this only work with an additional dock for which there are currently no other infos, which is why it's not included in the video. But besides that, this was it for this video. If you have any questions, ask them in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching. My name is Umit for Mobile Geeks.